Hi everyone, a lot of you guys made a special request for us to do a video on how I do a double swaddle, like baby Ayah is swaddled right now. So I'm going to show you guys how to use two swaddles, one regular and one Russian style, to keep your baby Houdini in place. So I'm going to take an Aiden and Unai swaddle. It can be any swaddle, it does not have to be a certain brand. Because the swaddle is a little bit on the larger side, I'm going to go ahead and fold it down pretty low. So I have my base for my first swaddle, and I'm just using this so we have a soft place to rest her head. But you know, if you have a soft carpet or anything like that, or if you like doing it on a changing table, that's totally fine as well. So I went ahead and folded this all the way down. I usually don't like to fold it in the middle because this can be a little hard on their back, so I try to make it closer to their lower legs. Baby, please.
Are you ready?
Baby, you ready to be swaddled? There we go. Look at this little princess. When I'm doing a double swaddle, I like to make sure that they're dressed a little bit lighter underneath because a double swaddle can get fairly warm. So I'm going to move her little hand down. Oh, I know, cutie pie. Take the left corner and tuck it fully underneath the right side. Take the tail and tuck it under the right shoulder with the right arm under the swaddle. Take the remaining piece, use your finger to place it at the center of the baby's chest, then cross over and fold the entire remaining piece under the baby. Keep the tucking process a little tight. Fold the remaining leftover piece into the fold of the swaddle. And you see, I left a little bit of a space open. That's totally fine because I'm going to do a double swaddle. Usually you like to keep this a little bit more tight, so it is a little harder for them to move. I'm going to move her over just a tiny bit so I can get my second swaddle in place. And I'm just using a very similar swaddle. Take second swaddle and form a large square, placing the baby's head directly in the center with their head sticking out. Take the left side and diagonally tuck it under her right side. Repeat with the other side. Take the leftover from the bottom and fold it all the way towards the baby's chest. Fold left side under the baby all the way to the other side. Repeat with the other side. Take remaining swaddle and tuck it up top, making sure it's away from her face. Hopefully you guys found this video super helpful. Leave us other suggestions in the comments below and we will happily get to them. And for now, it's Ayah's nap time.